Welcome guys, so in this video I am with ROG Strix GO 2.4 wireless headset and I'm going to show you how you can connect this headset to your MacBook. So first of all, you have to remember to use this switcher. This one. You have to just put it like that to the wireless icon. And this indicator will be turned on after a few moments. As you can see, it's blinking like that. But when you correctly plug them to your PC, there will be solid blue light. So that's the first step. We can put them back close to our MacBook. And in the box, right here inside, we'll find these two adapters. So we have to plug this to our computer, to our MacBook. That's USB-C input. You can find it on the MacBook right here. So we have to plug it right here. But if you have any problem and your device doesn't support the USB-C input, you can find another adapter that you can plug to the USB-A and make it like that. So plug it this right here and this end to the USB-A if you don't have this input. But in my case, I can find it. So simply I have to rotate the MacBook, plug it right here, and the next step, it's very simple. Just be sure that the device is turned on. As you can see, right now the light is on the solid blue, so it means that we are synchronized. You don't have to enable the Bluetooth settings on your MacBook, but there is one last thing that I want to show you. So what we have to do right now on this MacBook, as you can see, we have to open the settings, go for the sound. We have to go for the sound and be sure that we successfully switch from MacBook speakers to our external ROG Strix GO 2.4. That's the last thing. And right now you can use your headset, they are connected, you can listen music or just play on your MacBook. That's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.